Good afternoon, everyone. It is July 5th, the first week of July for Kyushu Institute of Technology 7D class, Wednesday, fourth period. Nice to see you all here. Today is July 5th, so that means that on this schedule, we have basically today, July 5th, July 12th, and July 19th to get ready before your tests. Because after July 19th, we're going to have your test, your Moodle test, and your conversation test on the 26th and on August 2nd. So I want to start getting ready for the test that you will have. Very similar. The speaking test will be very similar to the midterm test that you already had. This is a speaking course, and I want mostly to test you on your speaking. But the Moodle test, that will basically be very similar to your reading tests, your reading quizzes, listening quizzes, vocabulary quizzes. A lot of that will be in the Moodle test, and that's something that you'll do here in class. Now, all of that I will explain on July 12th. So the July 12th class will be very important. I'll explain all of the information that you'll need. Please make sure that you come next week. But for this week, let's see here. You have basically, come on there. Yeah, basically the shadow talking that we're going to do in a few minutes. After we're done the shadow talking, we're going to start doing more speaking exercises. For your assignments, you have your vocabulary quiz and the reflection. So this is about shadowing one more time. We've been doing shadowing now for a few months. I want you to tell me, what do you think? Is it helping you? Is it difficult? Is there something particularly strange about it you don't understand? That's what I want you to do. Watch the video and then write your impressions about shadow talking in the reflection. There's one other thing that I want you to do here on the semester feedback. Now, this is not an assignment. It's not for points. I just want to get your opinion on what you think about the class. So this is completely anonymous, no names. I don't know who gave what answer. And the questions themselves are very, very simple, okay? Basically, just two questions. What did you like about the class, the top, and at the bottom, what do you want to change about the class? And you can give me any opinion you want, okay? Because I don't know who wrote what. It doesn't give me your names. So I want you to do that. I want you to do the vocabulary quiz and reflection. And that's it. That's all you need to do for this week. The vocabulary quiz, as always, vocabulary quiz. As always, you can try that 3 times, and each time is up to 15 minutes, and Moodle will remember your best score. Okay, if you have any questions, you can talk to me after class, or you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay, everybody, let's have a good class today.